Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach a file to a task in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and tasks within the Planner workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for and click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you're part of or have created, making it easy to organize and manage your different projects and workflows. From the list of available plans, click on the specific plan that contains the task you want to work with. This will open up the plan and show you all the buckets and tasks organized within it, giving you a complete overview of the project structure. Now, locate the task where you want to attach your file and click on it. This action will open up a detailed view of the task in a side panel or pop-up window, where you can see all the task information, including descriptions, due dates, and current attachments. Once the task details are open, look for the attachment section and click on it. This is where all files and links related to this specific task are stored, allowing team members to access important documents and resources directly from the task itself. Next, click on the Add Attachment button. This will present you with several options for how you want to attach your file, giving you flexibility in where you source your documents from. You'll now see 3 options to choose from your device, from your group, or link to a file or website. The first option lets you upload files directly from your computer. The second allows you to attach files stored in your Microsoft 365 group files. And the third lets you add external links. Each option serves different needs depending on where your file is stored. For this example, go ahead and click from your device. This is the most straightforward method when you have a file saved locally on your computer that you want to share with your team through this task. A file browser window will now appear on your screen. Browse through your folders, locate the file you want to attach, select it, and then click Open. The file you've selected will now begin uploading to the task, and you'll see an upload progress indicator while this happens. Once the upload completes, your file will appear in the attachments section of the task. Team members can now click on it to view or download the file, making collaboration and information sharing seamless within your project. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your task in Microsoft Planner, making it accessible to everyone working on that task. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.